is attached from the inside of the trunk. So we need to remove this piece to get access to the tail light bulb. So a lot of the cars you have to access under the hood or underneath inside the trunk to get to the bulbs itself. So right here we're going to access the tail light with these little plastic nuts here. I'm going to unscrew this nut. There is also a connector here that we're going to disconnect that goes to the housing. And then there is another, this wire nut's gone too now. That's cool. Another wire nut right here. So there's 3 plastic nuts, 1 missing on this car. You can see right there, I'm untwisting this one. There's 3 of them. Probably how the last one got lost. And then we're just going to pull this housing out. You can see I disconnected the electrical piece right here. That plugs in there. And to get the bulbs out, if I have a turn signal or a tail light, I just twist these a 1/4 of a turn, this comes out, and then I simply pull on the bulb out. And then when I replace a new bulb, I just simply push it back in till it clicks in, and I just line up the little holes here, and then I twist it and lock it into place. You're gonna see there's a couple of different configurations, but I want to make sure it's sealed. There's a little plastic piece. Make sure this is on there, because any condensation, water, we don't want to get in here to shorten the bulb life. So it's just simply a twist, unplug by pulling the bulb out, plug it in, twist, and lock. These are primarily found on a lot of our headlights, tail lights. This one here, we twist, same thing. And then this one pulls out. This would be a reverse light bulb. And then we'd twist and lock that into place too. This is a little tight. When we're done replacing the bulbs, we make sure that we line up that little square there. We're going to put this back into the housing. Make sure that popped out, which it did. I like to plug this in first, just so in case I have power there, and then lock it into place. And then the little nuts just go back into place here. Sometimes they'll have regular nuts with bolts. And that's really all we need to do. I'll put it on this one this time. If I had another nut, I'd put it on that other one that we're missing. You see one over there? Okay. So the housing's back into place so it doesn't fall off. So that's the tail light.